Son's decided to come out and join us today.
Yeah.
And we're at Tolmin doing about a 10-kilometre loop, but it goes via Tolmin Gorge, so we're going to add that in as well. So we'll see how that looks. It's meant to be fairly similar to DaVinci Gorge that we went to yesterday. The colour of this water's crazy. Like milky, turquoise. Not milky, not clear like the rivers were. We're at the beach today. We'll make some sandcastles. Cold?
Cold, but not too cold.
Okay.
Nice and refreshing.
Nice and refreshing. Go on then, in you go. Pretty much the length of the Soča River that we run along, Soča Valley River. We're going to head up now towards the ravine at Tolmin River, I believe it's called. Yep. Follow all the way up to there. Yep. And then we'll end up looping around here.
Yeah.
And then back down here because we're parked here. And this is into Tolmin Gorge. gonna make a daisy chain, are you? Is that your plan?
Got loads of daisies.
Loads of daisies. Gonna use every single one? Training for gladiators. The end of our 10-11 kilometre loop around Tolmin. Said it right this time, Tolmin. Just got to get up this hill, and by those lampposts is the main road that we parked on.